What is up, Southern Sharks? It's JR Fitness here, back with another video.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
It's been a while since I've done a video for you guys, and I apologize for that. I meant to do one on the New Year's, like 31st of December, but that didn't work out, and I haven't had internet for a few nights, so that also didn't help, because the video that I wanted to do on New Year's, like, it used the internet, and yeah, so that didn't help much. But anyway, it's gonna change, and I'm gonna do another video for you guys. Basically, I was thinking about doing like a 5-minute beginner home ab workout, but then I was looking through cleaning up my old stuff, and I actually found my very first written down workout. This is the first workout that I actually wrote down on paper. Like, I used to just, like, you know when you just, it's not really set, like you just do different exercises that, you know, do reps, do sets, whatever, and then you might, yeah, I think you know what I mean. Basically on here, there's 15 sit-ups, 60, well, I'll show you. 15 sit-ups, 60 heel touches, no idea why there's 60. 15 leg sit-ups, 15 crunches, I don't know why tricep dips are on there, I'm going to skip that. And 15 leg ups. I actually did a similar thing to this with a mate, I think. A little bit after that. And it says 3 times, so we'll do 3 sets. And then all those ticks were basically for each time I did it, except obviously I did it a lot more than like 10 times or whatever that is. But I would get another piece of paper and start ticking off. And yeah, that's this is how I started. And then there would also be a bicep one. So let's see how we go. Let's get it. Should only take like 5 minutes. Before this workout, I'm just gonna eat a banana, do a little quick stretch, and make sure you stay hydrated. To save that strain on your neck when you're doing sit-ups, I like to look at the ceiling, just a little tip that I learnt myself. Heel touches. I'm actually not, I'm not sure if I actually remember. I'm pretty sure it's either that or this. I'm not actually sure. I'm pretty sure it's that. And instead of 60, we're going to do 15 like all the other ones are, because I'm not sure why I put 60. to the next. 15 crunches. Wait, no, 15 leg sit-ups. Alright, so these ones are just exactly what it says, leg sit-ups. Works on your lower abs. If you want to go up more, you can. I normally like to go one extra with most workouts. Then I had the crunches, which is just a crunch. Everyone should know what a crunch is. It's basically faster sit up and half of a sit up, just like. Then we have well, it says tricep dips, but actually the workout says tricep dips. We're gonna do tricep dips. 15. It's kind of hard. The socks are slipping. Then we have leg ups. Leg ups are pretty good. There's lots of different variations of leg ups though that make it harder, but I'm pretty sure back then just did the basic ones. Even though it is a really shallow workout, I'm actually starting to feel the burn in my abs, but it is a very shallow workout, and if you like advanced, then you might do some exercises on here, but it's a pretty shallow workout. But I'm actually feeling the burn, and just try it yourself and see how you go. So leg ups, you can either go the harder version of your hands like this, or you can just go like that under your bum. I like to just do it like this. There you have it, guys, my very first workout I ever made. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There's definitely a lot of faults, but you guys can definitely try it, and then afterwards make your own little changes. One obvious thing is what people do these days, they don't just do the whole workout then do it another 2 times. They just do the reps, then have maybe a couple second break or whatever they need, then do the reps again, then again they might do it 3 times, they might do it 4, they might do it twice, and yeah, they just do that for each exercise, and then it's just, once you do each exercise it's done. But that's how I did it back then. It worked for me. It's fine, it's all preference. And yeah, so that was just the whole workout, but I would normally do it 3 times. And another thing is there was way too many reps. Normally you shouldn't have 15, normally you should have like 12 max. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Continue to be sharks. My quote of the day, probably just live, laugh and love. Alright, see you in the next video.
A little bit of Monica in my life, a little bit of Erica by my side, a little bit of Rita's all I need, a little bit